Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So for today, we move to another topics. General solution of non-homogeneous equation. Okay, any function yp free of arbitrary parameters that satisfy this equation, okay, is said to be particular solution or particular integral. Okay, so kalau bentuk macam ni, we call it as particular solution. Okay, YP, particular solution. Theorem, general solution, non-homogeneous equation. Let YP be any particular solution of non-homogeneous linear nth order differential equation of n interval, and let y1, y2 until yn be a fundamental set of solution of the associated homogeneous differential equation. Okay, then the general solution of the equation on the interval is, okay, this one is general solution. General solution. Okay, this one is general solution. Where C1, C2 until Cn are arbitrary constant. So ni constant. Okay, constant. Okay, so general solution YC plus YP. YC is complementary solution or function. Okay, part 4, solving homogeneous linear DE differential equation with constant coefficient. Okay, consider the special case of the second order homogeneous linear differential equation in which all of the coefficient are real constant. Okay, that is, we shall be concerned with the equation. Okay, this one, the equation where A, B, C are real constant. So constant, second derivative constant, first derivative, okay, Cy equal to 0. Let one solution of the second order equation is y equal to exponent m power of, y equal to exponent power of mx. Okay, then y prime equal to m exponent power of mx, and then y double prime, okay, m square time with exponent power of mx. Okay, substitute this derivative into the equation ay square plus ay double prime plus by prime plus cy equal to 0. Okay, so we substitute. Okay, and then simplify. Then we get am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. So this one we call it as auxiliary equation. Okay. Then we distinguish this case according to the sign of discriminant b square minus 4ac. Okay, so first we have equation, right? Okay, equation, and then we change it to auxiliary equation by substitute this function y prime and y double prime. Okay, and then we get auxiliary equation. Okay, next we have 3 different case. Okay, when we solve for auxiliary equation. Okay, so case 1, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Okay, if the roots m1, m2 of the characteristic equation of am square plus bm plus c equal to 0 are real and unequal. Okay, so case 1. Okay, when you solve for auxiliary equation, then the answer for m you get real and unequal. Okay, tak sama. Ada dua real, jawapan you tu real number and then tak sama. Okay, so the general solution of differential equation is equal to y equal to c1 exponent power of m1x plus c2 exponent m2x. Okay, ini adalah general solution for the case 1. Okay, apa dia case 1? Kalau you punya jawapan M real and unequal. Okay, real and unequal. So we use this. Okay, for case 2. Okay. 1 real root M. Okay, so maksudnya you dapat jawapan untuk M tu satu nilai je dan dia ni adalah real number. Okay. 1 real root. So the solution, okay, you can use this one or you can write in this form. Case 3, complex number. Okay, complex number. Then the general solution is yang ini. Okay, how to find the roots? Either you factorize or you use formula. Okay, what's the factorize? You can use calculator. But when you use formula, okay, what's the formula we need to use? M equal to negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay.